Hello and welcome to channel Unlocks Hub. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install macOS Tahoe, which is the latest macOS 26 version on this MacBook Air M2. This MacBook Air M2 is currently on the activation log page and you can see it is linked to an Apple ID. I'll be using the Unlocks Hub USB Configurator files to install the latest macOS Tahoe on this MacBook Air M2, which is currently on the activation log page. Do watch the video until the end, do not skip any step. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comment section. If you wish to buy the Unlocks Hub USB Configurator files, copy the email address given below and email us right away. We are not available on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram or any of the social media applications. We are available on this YouTube channel and the email address given in the video description only. First step, let's plug in the Unlocks Hub USB Configurator files. Once that is plugged in, all you have to do is turn off the MacBook. Once the MacBook is completely turned off, press and hold the power button. Continue holding it. And it says loading startup options. And you can enter this page only after plugging in the Unlocks Hub USB Configurator file, so make sure to plug it in before starting the procedure. Click on Install macOS Tahoe and click Continue. And click Continue. And click on Agree and Agree. Select the Macintosh HD option and click Continue. And you can see the installation begins and it says about 1 hour and 6 minutes remaining. Just wait for the installation to complete. Do not unplug your Mac or do not unplug the Unlocks Hub USB Configurator files. Make sure your Mac is plugged into charging. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comment section. If you wish to buy the Unlocks Hub USB Configurator files, copy the email address given below and email us right away. We are not available on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram or any of the social media applications. We are available on this YouTube channel and the email address given in the video description only. Let me set it up quickly and find out if the iCloud lock is present or not. And it is finally on the welcome screen. Click on get started. And now we are inside the macOS Tahoe. Let me go to the settings option. You can see the liquid glass effect, and let me go to system settings. And you can log in with your own Apple ID and password without any issue, or even you can create your new Apple ID as well. Now you can unplug the unlock sub USB configurator files and make complete use of your MacBook Air M2. So this MacBook Air M2, which was previously on the activation log page, is now completely free, and you can create your own Apple ID or even log in with your own Apple ID and make complete use of your MacBook Air M2. This is the same MacBook Air M2 with which we started this video, and it is completely usable now. So if you wish to buy the unlock sub USB configurator files, copy the email address given below and email us right away. We are not available on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, or any of the social media applications. We are available on this YouTube channel, and the email address given in the video description only. Don't forget to click on subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified as soon as we post a new video. Have a great day. Take care.